Sanibonani and welcome back to another video. Kuningi okwenzakalayo. I thought I should just come here and share exactly ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yo, ever since Umpumelelo posted his latest girlfriend, sana the comment sections. Because Leia post kaMpumelelo ishiye nje a bad taste in people's mouths. He ended up not getting the pat on the back or the validation he was seeking from abantu from posting uAmahle. Instead, people were very disappointed ukuthi kanti ngempela bahlukana benoNosiphucele ngoba we saw him fighting ukuthi amngenise even though isibongo sifana nesakamamkhulu, but ke sana bagcina behlukane kanjalo. So now he brings a new girl and people are not happy. He didn't get the reaction abeyifuna. And ngiyazi-ke abantu-ke mawuposta into bengayithandi, they resort to insults. So manje he subjected this young lady to bullying online ngoba abantu bakhuluma nje ngomzimba wakhe, which is not right, guys. Mina I'm all for people expressing their views, kodwa it doesn't mean ukuthi mele ube disrespectful, ube insulting, especially when it comes to bodies ngoba guys, we know ukuthi in South Africa there's different types of bodies. If you're not type ayithandayo, guys, who are we to say he must not like leyo type ngoba kwathina sinawo lama type. I saw on Facebook, angisakhumbula ukuthi uba igama laloyo mfana loyo naye ozama ukuba nesithembu and amantombazane awathandayo like iLenda ne. So now people in the comment section bathi hayi nje kulesi sithembu kuyahlushekwa just because babuka ibody type yalamantombazane athandwa ilo muntu wesilisa. So yabona ukuthi kuyafana whether lowo muntu wesilisa uthandana nezidudla kuphela, whether uthandana neziLenda kuphela, abantu bohlezi nje bekhuluma. So let us check out what people are actually saying on social media and then we'll take a look at that spicy Q&A kaTirelo that she did izolo ku Instagram. Ulelethu yena uthi lo mfana kanti akafuni ukumbona nje umuntu oyisilenda, and then uPhumlash yena uthi khona osazoba yinja nosazoba yimbongolo. Ulindeka yena uthi bhuti cha uyazisikela kwelinonile, ngiyakuvuma bhuti. Unsiko yena uthi mantombazane niyiphuphu kodwa nani sometimes. Usiphesihle yena uthi sithi bhuti ngoba kwenze njani mfana. And then uMaka uthi if ngifuze ubaba was a person. And then uGwen uthi uNate yena uthi kuyosho abasondelene nakini eMzumbe ukuthi bhuti, otherwise sizibonela ubhuti omncane kaSiyacela thina. And then uSithi uthi engabe uziyela emhlangeni uyolanda intombi uhlukane nalama slay queen. uMashaliza yena uthi nibahle. uSithathu yena uthi ngancamane ngithi bhuti kumnini kunakuwe. And then uKhuthazwa uthi beautiful. And then uBonkosi uthi into ozoyiguga yona mfani wami. uSingqo yena uthi usebenzaphi? Kuthethiswelani uSine kuphela, yini ungathethiswa wena ngoba niyefana nje nodadweni. And then uGugu uthi bhuti omdala ekhanda akusebenzi yini. And then uHappiness uthi womanizer. uNzuzo uthi bazokubona kudala ukuthi uyasifanela noSiyacela. uSithabile yena uthi kanti wena lezi ntombi uzithathaphi wena wedwa nje ngempela. And then uZamashenge uthi sizothi go to school instead. And then uMhlenge uthi ungagcini sowukhala njengobaba wakho. And then uDon uthi ngoku uzokondliwa uyihlo wakho kunye namadikazi wakho nensana zakho. Asikazi uthi bhuti tu uyohlala unguthonqo wena ongazazi ukuthi ufunani. uMusa wamaXimba uthi kanti uphi uMacele owayezomlobola hayi lengane. And then uMamwelase uthi bafuna imali yababa wakho. And then uLindiwe uthi shosho Tirelo wabukisa ngovuyokazi ngoba usafika koMpumelelo wawucabanga ukuthi koba njani uyayiva ke ngoku. And then uLondeka uthi ngiyazisa imicondo elankosi yami. uNhlanhla yena uthi iphuphile lento yakamseleku. uMphilisi uthi usho ukuthi ubaba wakho akaze adle la odla khona. And then uCynthia uthi nabahle bantabami. And then uBangiwe uthi shine Tiri shine. uKai uGogo Flow Pinky Phonki Vuyo saved herself umntase. Wawucabanga ukuthi uyiwina. Ubabalwa yena uthi funny thing is she has Vuyokazi's resemblance. It's like he is looking for uVuyokazi in these women. Mpumi mntanami. And then uPhumzile uthi akananto etheni kodwa la bhuti. And then uPhosha uthi mhle uAmahle. Indeed she is beautiful bakithi. And again, the problem is not ubuhle balentokazi ncane bakithi. Ukhethe kahle yena impela. Inkinga ukuthi most people do not think ukuthi he loves this lady. Instead, we think ukuthi he is using her for his own selfish reasons. That post nje is a flex to other young men ukuthi bamvume ukuthi uyindoda ngokukhetha yena. Kanti-ke uPresh uthi awufune thando wena ufuna lokhu okufunayo for the fact that you go for the same body shape nabo they don't learn. And then uKamva uthi okwampumelelo okwezandla if bekunezinyawo ngabe kuyahamba kodwa-ke yena uzitshena ukuthi uyinja yegame. And then uMasande uthi sithi bhuti ngamantombazane. uLindina uthi ikusasa alikho la. Cha uTirelo amakakushiye nje ngoba nawe awuzazi ukuthi ufunani. uSandisiwe yena uthi welele. And then uKhanyisani uthi bhuti bhubesi. And then Olwenene uthi gaske kuthiwe ngowase-Rustenburg nalona badibane eBatswaneni bandla. But I think she's Zulu, guys. I think she's 100% Zulu. Unless angazi-ke. But yeah, I think amahle umZulu nje guys. Kanti-ke yena uKira uthi why ungaziloboleli mina? Yabona esana ukuthi kohlelo kukhona nje intombazane eredi nje ungena kulesi sithembu. Whether siyabheda, whether sinjani, people are always lining up. So uqinisile uMpumelelo mayethi nizoze nithi bhuti kuyena because uyazizwa naye ukuthi hayibo he doesn't need to do much. Amantombazane nje ayayizela kuyena. Kanti-ke uNtokozo yena ucabanga ukuthi uMpumelelo engathi usithatha-ke manje amaqatha abantu abadala. I don't know what he means ngalokho. Uqonde ukuthini ngempela uNtokozo? Hayibo guysini, if wena uyindoda nawe usahleli you don't know what you're doing with your life, obvious they're gonna take women, quality women yabo off the market. So as a man mawubona ngempela ukuthi uyafuna ukushada, work hard ukuze nawe ukwazi ukuyisikela nawe kwelenonile. Kanti-ke uNoluthando yena uthi akusizi ukuthi sithi bhuti ube udlala ngey'ngane zabantu. Cha abantu bayakwazi ukukhuluma but ke sana ngingathanda ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi ngicabangani so far ukuthi abantu bathini. But ke sana on to another issue that I saw on Instagram. uTirelo posted i-Q&A ebuza abantu ukuthi ke cela bembuze ukuthi bafuna ukuthini kena. And I was like, are you sure? And then the first question I saw was, awuzisoli ngokuvela kwi-TV ngendlela abakugezela ngayo abantu. Wathi-ke uTirelo sana ngiyazisola every day. Aphinde futhi kube khona ombuzayo ukuthi how are you doing? And then aphenduleke uTirelo athi I'm doing well. Been battling flu after the exams. Thank you. It is just a lot that is happening empilweni kaTirelo and she's so young bakithi. Ngapha she's juggling ingane, ngapha she's juggling umjolo and exams on top of that, yo. But ke uqinisile like omunye othe ustrong uTirelo because mina bengengikwazi bafethu. And then another person wakhomenta wathi uyesaba yena ukubuza ngoba uyaphoqana uTirelo. But ke waphendula uTirelo wathi I'm just human sometimes. Namba yithi I don't think uTirelo is a terrible person nje. Mawumbuka nje eyedwa outside of indlela ayibehave ngayo kulomjolo. I feel like she's a good, sweet girl bakithi. Inkinga nje uyifake nje kwenye nje inxushunxushu ngayazi. Omunye ke didn't have a question wathi nje I like your sense of fashion wabonga-ke uTirelo. But then it got interesting ngoba khona obuzile wathi so uthini ngoku sekukhona omunye futhi kaSibindi. Waphendula-ke ehleka uTirelo wathi ngizothini. And that's the reality. What are you going to say ngoba sana ungene wazi ukuthi uthandana nomuntu othandayo isithembu. So there's nothing you can do if they choose to incorporate other people into the relationship. There was also a question where umuntu ubuza ukuthi how's your relationship with the new Mnax, and I was surprised ukuthi she answered and posted this question because she answered wathi lol, it's okay. Yo sana, people nje did not hold back, but I did see later on ukuthi she deleted wonke lama question and answers, and she posted ukuthi abantu bebebuza ukuthini and ukuthi nje she just couldn't take it, wathi I will play next time, I love you ngoba imibuzo ibi intense ngempela. With one person asking, do you still talk to Uvuyokazi? How do you feel when you see uSibindi posting enye intombi yakhe on Instagram? Omunye ethi sana hlala noSibindi wakho xa usamthanda, nathi sigxakwe zezethu, better the devil you know. Omunye ethi nje I love you shame, ndiyalwa ngawe kuFacebook. Omunye ethi tiri, so are you a virgin yini? Cause it seems like huwe ozokhokhela kuqala manje. Yay sana, abantu bayakwazi ukhuluma, and then another person says, it's not a question, I'm just sending you flowers because you deserve them, you are beautiful sana. Omunye ethi between shooting and now, have you found yourself again? Are you happy, sweetheart? Yo sana, yo, I shame. But I would like to hear you guys what's ngicabangani about this whole situation. Please comment down below, and don't forget Kesana to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.